In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add skill in Upwork. Adding the right skills to your profile helps Upwork match you with relevant jobs and makes it easier for clients to find you in search. So this quick update can meaningfully improve your visibility. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork and press Enter. Click the official Upwork website from the search results to open it. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log into your account before continuing. Once you're on Upwork, look toward the upper right corner of the page for your profile image or initials. Click that and choose the option to view your profile. Your public freelancer profile is where clients see your overview, work history, and importantly, your skills section. Scroll through your profile until you find the skills section. This area lists the professional skills that represent what you offer. To make a change, click the small edit icon, often displayed as a pencil. That opens the editor where you can add or refine your skills. In the editor, click into the field where you can add a new skill and start typing the one you want to include. For example, if you work with video, type video editing. As you type, Upwork will show suggested skills from its standardized list. Select the suggestion that best matches your expertise. Choosing a suggested option helps your profile appear in the right searches and improves how the platform matches you to jobs. Keep your skills focused, relevant, and accurate. Think about the terms clients are most likely to use when they're looking for someone like you. Avoid adding skills that you don't actively offer, and try to prioritize the specialties that align with your strongest portfolio pieces and recent work. After you've added the new skill, click Save. You'll return to your profile and should now see the updated skill list displayed in the Skills section. This confirms the change has been applied. If you're building a broader profile strategy, remember that your overview, portfolio, and job categories should reinforce the same skill themes, so clients get a consistent picture of what you do best. That's all it takes to add a skill in Upwork. Open Upwork from Google, go to your profile, find the Skills section, edit, type your additional skill, select the best match, and save. Thanks for watching, and keep your skills current so you can show up for the opportunities that fit you best.